Today we will service and clean the indoor and the outdoor unit of a split AC. For this you will need a pipe with a spray gun and a wet wiping cloth. If you want to buy those, I will leave a link of those in the description box. Okay, let's just clean the outdoor unit first. Make sure that the AC is turned off. At the back of the unit is where majority of the debris and dust are. Use the spray gun until the black dirty water turns clean. So you will need to spray at the front and also at the back. Now that we have cleaned the outdoor unit, it's time to work on the indoor unit. Turn the fan to the maximum speed. I will tell you why. Grab a wet wipe cloth and try to put it carefully while the fan is still running. Wipe cloth is very soft and will safely remove all the debris and the garbage stuck on the fan. Now turn off the AC and remove those two nets. It is fairly simple. You do not need any detergents to clean these nets. Once the nets are cleaned properly, make sure that they are dry before you put them back on. Use the same wet wipe cloth to remove the debris. Now that we have serviced our air conditioner, make sure you run the fan only mode at the highest speed. After about half an hour of running fan, you will be able to finally start the air conditioner as you like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.